In this video I'm going to show you 11 kefir health benefits and uses to maintain body health. Kefir is all the rage in the natural health community. High in nutrients and probiotics, it is very beneficial for digestion and gut health. Kefir is a cultured fermented milk drink, originally from the mountainous regions that divide Asia and Europe. It is similar to yogurt but a drink, with a sour taste and a slight fizz. This is due to the carbon dioxide, the end product of the fermentation process. The length of the fermentation time will affect the taste. Kefir is a good source of calcium and is rich in probiotic bacteria. Many people consider it to be healthier than yogurt. Here are 11 health benefits of kefir that is supported by research. Number 1. Kefir improves digestion. Some people find that kefir improves their digestion due to its probiotic content. Probiotics can help restore balance in the gut, thereby improving digestion. As kefir is rich in probiotic bacteria, it can be beneficial to include it in the diet for the prevention and treatment of gastrointestinal disturbances. Some studies have found that kefir is better tolerated in those with lactose intolerance. However, people with lactose intolerance should consult their doctor before introducing kefir to their diet. Number 2. Kefir is a more powerful probiotic than yogurt. Some microorganisms can have beneficial effects on health when ingested. Known as probiotics, these microorganisms may influence health in numerous ways, aiding digestion, weight management and mental health. Yogurt is the best known probiotic food in the Western world, but kefir is actually a much more potent source. Kefir grains contain up to 61 strains of bacteria and yeasts, making them a very rich and diverse probiotic source, though diversity may vary. Other fermented dairy products are made from far fewer strains and don't contain any yeasts. Number 3. Nutritional benefits. Milk is a good source of protein and calcium, and kefir is no different. However, it has the added benefits of probiotics. Probiotics are known as friendly bacteria. They can ease IBS symptoms such as bloating and digestive distress in some people. Number 4. Kefir has potent antibacterial properties. Certain probiotics in kefir are believed to protect against infections. These include certain probiotics which are unique to kefir. Studies demonstrate that probiotics can inhibit the growth of various harmful bacteria, including Salmonella and E. coli. Number 5. Kefir may improve skin health and reduce scars. Kefir gel reduces wound size and scar tissues in rats with burn wounds. A 70% kefir gel sped up the wound healing and protected the skin connective tissues in rats infected with the bacteria Staphylococci. This bacteria is one of the most common causes of skin infections. Milk kefir also protected cells from UV damage. Aside from preventing skin cancer, this may reduce skin aging as well. Number 6. So does kefir help to lose weight? Obesity has been linked to an imbalance in gut bacteria. However, which strain of bacteria has an effect is less clear. Some evidence suggests that certain bacteria found in kefir are associated with changes in weight, but more robust evidence is needed before recommendations can be made. Number 7. Kefir may be protective against cancer. Cancer is one of the world's leading causes of death. It occurs when abnormal cells in your body grow uncontrollably, such as a tumor. The probiotics in fermented dairy products are believed to reduce tumor growth by stimulating your immune system. Therefore, it is possible that kefir may fight cancer. This protective role has been demonstrated in several test tube studies. One study found that kefir extract reduced the number of human breast cancer cells by 56%, compared to only 14% for yogurt extract. Keep in mind though that human studies are needed before firm conclusions can be made. Number 8. Does kefir promote better bone health? Traditional kefir made from cow's milk is a good source of calcium and vitamin K, which are both important for bone health. As we get older, our bones become weaker, which can increase the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, especially in postmenopausal women. Kefir, along with other dairy products, is a useful source of dietary calcium. Number 9. Kefir is low in lactose. Regular dairy foods contain a natural sugar called lactose. Many people, especially adults, are unable to break down and digest lactose properly. This condition is called lactose intolerance. The lactic acid in bacteria in fermented dairy foods like kefir and yogurt turn the lactose into lactic acid, so these foods are much lower in lactose than milk. They also contain certain enzymes that can help break down the lactose even further. Therefore, kefir is generally well tolerated by people with lactose intolerance, at least compared to regular milk. Number 10. Does kefir reduce inflammation? Inflammation is involved in a number of diseases such as inflammatory bowel or rheumatoid arthritis. The anti-inflammatory effects of probiotics have been reported in some studies, although this is an emerging area of research. It does appear though that lab bacteria are anti-inflammatory, but whether this translates directly to kefir is still unknown. Number 11. Kefir may improve allergy and asthma symptoms. Allergic reactions are caused by inflammatory responses against certain foods or substances. People with an oversensitive immune system are more prone to allergies, which can provoke conditions like asthma. In animal studies, kefir has been shown to suppress inflammatory responses related to allergies and asthma. So are there any side effects? As the process used to make kefir can vary between brands, it's hard to monitor its potency, so some products may be richer sources of probiotic bacteria than others. For those who are not used to probiotics or fermented foods, it is sensible to start with a small amount and increase slowly. Some report digestive symptoms such as bloating, constipation or diarrhea when introducing probiotics to the diet. Anyone with a compromised immune system should speak to a healthcare professional before taking probiotics. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the 11 evidence-based health benefits and uses of kefir. And if you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the 15 amazing health benefits of green tea, including weight loss, skin and side effects. Thanks for watching and bye for now.